world is changing. And if you still believe that a degree and a job will guarantee your financial security, you're taking a huge risk. Because what worked 10 years ago doesn't work today. And not only do you have zero control over the decisions your employer makes, but also thousands of jobs are being replaced by AI and simple automation. So what will you do when it's your turn? But there's a group of people who never have to worry about that. They've built something that no one can take away from them. They've developed a set of skills that make them incredibly powerful, and today I'm going to show you exactly what those skills are and how you can start learning them right now. Hi, my name is Andre and I've built a 7-figure business, coached hundreds of professionals, and now I'm on YouTube sharing everything I've learned to help you living a life truly worth living. And in this video, I'm going to show you the 5 essential skills that can completely change your financial future and freedom. And the first skill, mindset. I know, you've heard 1,000 times that mindset is everything. But listen, there's a reason for that. You can have the best strategies in the world, but if you don't believe you're capable of applying them, if you don't learn the mindset shifts that you need, you'll always find excuses to fail. And so all successful people that I know have 6 traits in common. Commitment to self-mastery, commitment to Pareto principle, commitment to going from easy to purposeful, commitment to self-learning, commitment to removing limiting beliefs, and commitment to accountability. Can you see the pattern here? Yes, commitment. These people don't just try things. They are fully committed to achieving what others only dream about. They are committed to becoming their best selves and designing a life on their own terms. And that makes all the difference. That commitment is what pushes them to take action, to get things done, without excuses. Because you can have excuses or results. You can have both. Here's an example. Imagine 2 freelancers. One says, I'll never be able to charge more because the market is saturated. The other says, if someone can charge more, I can learn how to. The first will never get out of place. The second will look for solutions and grow. So focus on the solution, not the problem. As you can see, different mindsets with the same skills can make the whole difference in someone's success. It all starts with the way you think. Think like average people and you'll be average. Remove your limiting beliefs and you can accomplish anything. So here's an actionable step for you. Write down a limiting belief you have about money, success, or career right now. Then write down an opposite thought and read it every day. What you believe shapes what you see and what you can achieve. I'll be going in depth on all these 6 traits in a different video. The second skill has to do with business models and systems. The biggest difference between someone who earns $2,000 a month and someone who earns $20,000? Business models and systems. And here's an example. Common freelancers or any other professional do the work and then look for clients. But professionals who earn more create a system where clients come to them every single day. They know how many leads they need per week, how many proposals to send, and how to convert customers effortlessly. They are in full control of their businesses because they follow proven models and systems. And the good news, anyone can learn them. And even more important than money is what the money can do for you, for your life and for your family. Remember that money is good for the good it can do. And here's another actionable step. Choose an online business and analyze its monetization model. How does it make money? How does it attract customers? What system does it use? I talk about business models and systems in this video here, if you want to watch. The third skill, sales and persuasion. The skill that brings money. I'm not a salesperson. If you've said this, you're in trouble, because everything in life is sales. When you're trying to convince a client, ask for a raise, negotiate a price, debating who makes dinner today, you're selling. Here's an example. Have you ever tried to convince a client and they said, I'll think about it, and never came back? That happens because you didn't eliminate the objections before the sale. The best player in the game know exactly what objections their clients have and craft an offer that makes the sale a no-brainer. I'm talking about ethical persuasion. This means you have a solution for someone's problem and you need to know how to show this person that your product or service is their solution. So think about the last time you tried to convince someone of something. How could you have presented your idea more clearly and persuasively? Remember, what you focus on expands. And the fourth skill is about content creation and YouTube. I believe that in the next 10 years, those who master content will dominate the market. And YouTube is the best tool to generate money while you sleep, because the videos continue to be watched years later. And I'm not just saying this, the numbers back it up. The creator economy is a multi-million-dollar industry, and it's growing exponentially. According to Influencer Marketing Hub and Statista, the creator economy is estimated to be worth over $250 billion and is projected to reach $480 billion by 2027. YouTube alone has millions of monthly active users, and people watch over 1 billion hours of video every single day. That's a massive audience and a massive opportunity. There's hundreds and hundreds of people changing their lives through YouTube. They are not just making videos, they are building businesses. They are generating leads, selling products, and building communities, all through their content. They are helping millions of people all over the world. And the best part, YouTube rewards consistent, high-quality content. The algorithm is designed to surface videos that people find valuable and engaging. And even better, YouTube pays you to promote and build your business. How better can it be? I'm a huge believer on building online businesses using YouTube to give value to your audience. I mean, it's a business model that requires little to no money. You literally just need a smartphone and an internet connection to start. So imagine waking up and knowing you don't need to answer to anyone. No meetings you don't care about, no boss setting your salary, just you, your skills, and unlimited earning potential. That sounds good, don't you think? Actionable step: create a YouTube account if you don't have one, and write down right now 3 video ideas that you can make about something you know that can solve a real problem. And don't overthink it, just get started. The key is to start creating and learning as you go. And finally, skill number 5, problem solving. The market doesn't pay for the time you work, it pays for your ability to solve problems. Whether you want to work as a freelancer, start a business, or launch a digital product, if you solve problems, you'll get paid. Here's an example. A plumber charges $500 to fix a leak that could cause $5,000 in damage. It's a fair exchange. So if you find a problem that the market values and create an efficient solution, you'll be paid very well for it. And this means that you know something that a lot of people will be willing to pay for it. And no, you don't need to be the best in your field, you just need to be one step ahead and have experience solving those problems. And so, actionable step: think of a problem in your area. How can you solve it better than others? Now, bear in mind that success takes time and a lot of work. I'm not giving you a get-rich-quick formula because I don't know of any. What I do know is that when you're fully committed to developing the skills that truly make a difference, you can achieve anything. Now, let me know in the comments, which of these skills are you most excited to develop? Remember, the world is changing. Don't get left behind. Start learning these skills today and take control of your future. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.